I'm a cement mason instructor down here for the local 528 Cement Masons Apprenticeship. We're doing self-leveling underlayments this week in partnership with the Uzin crew.
Yeah, happy to be here. My name is Jamie Carabella, Senior Application Specialist with Uzin out of the Waco, Texas facility. Really glad to be a part of this. Education is extremely important in our industry. Innovation is very important. Technology is constantly changing. This is Uzin's first time at the local 528. Glad to be here. We have a lot of great instruction in the background, going over anything and everything from surface prep to self-leveling installation to patching materials.
Jim Muggleton, Product Manager for Uzin Classic Range out of Denver, Colorado. We come down to enjoy the facilities here and meet up with Mike and the colleagues here, the apprenticeships for Chapter 528, Cement Masons, Plasters, Union. And it's been absolutely fantastic. To Jamie's point, it's day 3. We started off with mitigation, slab. We were showing the guys and girls, the apprentices here, so they can have hands-on training with the materials. We followed that by some priming applications, choice of the right materials for the brand Uzin, as well as the cement leveling compounds over the top of that. Right now we are working with these guys and girls, showing them some techniques in mind of application of some of our hand prep patching materials, skim coat materials. They're currently making some transition material ramps in the background from us now, all doing a wonderful job. They've each got their own little bays and position in there for application of the materials in the right manner. I want to thank Mike again, particularly for his ability to have us on site here and welcome us to the state of Washington, Seattle. Lovely weather, raining ever since we got here, I think, on and off. But we've been able to work with Mike and in unison, show our materials, show the colleagues there, the product systems that Uzin is able to provide, so that ultimately it helps them in their day-to-day application as they look to move from here and transition on their day-to-day out in the field as level 2, 3 apprentices. So thank you again, Mike, for that. Josh?
Yeah, my name is Josh Finish. I'm a technical rep with Uzin. Glad to be down here at the apprenticeship. We are a proud supporter of supporting training, education, and the know-hows of learning the products of Uzin. I want to thank Jim and Jamie for coming down and helping out during this week. And always glad to be here with local 528's apprenticeship. This week has been absolutely wonderful. The apprentices learned about surface prep, moisture mitigation, leveling compounds, and patching compounds. So yeah, glad to be here and glad to support this local 528 apprenticeship. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I would like to thank you guys for helping us out and for help supporting the apprenticeship on the other hand also.
Absolutely.
So
thank you very much.
And
thank you.
It's been an adventure this week.
Yes,
It's been
yes,
an
it
adventure.
has.